What happens when you combine this Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies unboxing, my first ever taste test, plus this mysterious essential oil to clean my hands before I try it all? Well, make sure to watch this video all the way until the end to find out just that. Let's take one out so you can kind of see what they look like. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and let's get right into today's unboxing. That's right, I have my tools with me, and let's open this bad boy up. Or maybe it's a bad girl. Okay, all right. So, boom. It's a nice It's a nice compact package, and you know they say good things come in small packages. Well, this one is just that. Okay, so we opened it up here. Oh. There we go. You know, you got some information about apple cider vinegar. There you go. And as we open it up, we have, there it is. There it is. All right, got some little paper packaging in here too. And then we have some cards for some information. So you may be used to the concept of apple cider vinegar being in this bottle here, or something similar, and it being very, well, ooh, strong to the smell there. But it's really good for you. Speaking of apple cider vinegar, this is the apple cider vinegar that I like to get at Sprouts. It's in the jug container you see right here. Then when this is all gone, which, there you go, when this is all gone, I fill it up with water there for like 30 cents. It's the same jug, it's just a different one. And I know what you're thinking, man, those are a nice pair of jugs. Okay, I know where your head is at. I know. Trust me. These things are heavy. But the point I'm trying to make with showing you my jugs is that I use apple cider vinegar in many different ways. You got gummies, you got supporting your immune system and digestion through, you know, obviously reusable kombucha bottles. GT's is one of my favorite brands here. There it is. This is one of the flavors. And so I fill this up with reverse osmosis water, apple cider vinegar that I just showed you, and then 1 drop per 4 ounces of water. And I like to use doTERRA's lemon oil for that. And sometimes combine lemon and lime, which is a great combination. So 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of lime. And this is going to, again, support your immune system and digestion. Kombucha, which is a fermented or probiotic tea. And then when it's done, reduce, reuse, recycle. There you go. Use these jars a lot. And then again, when those jugs are done, I keep reusing those as well. So a more sustainable way to support your health, hydrate, and then you got the immune plus digestion benefits. The Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies are made with Mother. That's right, not your mother, but Mother. And Mother is a healthy strain of microorganisms, antioxidants, and enzymes. They're also unfiltered, raw, and the Goli Gummies offer you the benefits of apple cider vinegar without the discomfort of the actual vinegar. This is why it's so easy to include these in your daily routine. The Goli Gummy is certified organic by the Oregon Tilth, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, gelatin-free, and kosher. And here is a quick list of the ingredients, which I will explain to you in a little more detail here because this may be a little hard to read. And the complete list of ingredients includes apple cider vinegar, organic beetroot, organic pomegranate, vitamin B9, B12, organic tapioca syrup, water, organic cane sugar, pectin, sodium citrate, citric acid, malic acid, natural apple flavors, organic carrot, organic apple, and organic blackcurrant. So that is a nice list of ingredients there. And you can see a little bit more here on the side. And then there you go. Now you may be asking yourself, well, what are the uses for this? Adults can take 1 to 2 gummies 3 times a day. That means you can take anywhere from 3 to 6 total in a day. And they're also safe for children 2 and above. And they can take 1 per day. This is also a really great supplement for your essential oil or vitamin routine. Now I'm going to open this up, but before I do, I'm going to clean my hands with wild orange essential oil from doTERRA. And this wild orange is great for cleaning your hands, uplifting your mood. It softens your hands, it does not dry them out. There you go. I can have that. And, whew, and I love that smell. So amazing. And so this is great when you're out and about, touching doorknobs, shaking hands, if people still do that now. And then also it's great for opening up packages and consuming supplements. Alright, so I'm going to open this up here. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, there we go. It's kind of a reaction video as well. So you kind of have this little plastic on the top that I am going to take off here. At least try to. Let's use some scissors. Wow, it smells very good with the wild orange, I will tell you that much. Alright, so we got that. Now you see there's this little safety seal. And we are going to use the scissors to get that. And we're going to do the first ever taste test of these. Alright, so here goes nothing. Let's take one out so you can kind of see what they look like. Here we are. With that being said, the benefits of this is that it supports gut health for healthy digestion, supports a healthy immune system, supports healthy weight management, supports heart health, helps reduce appetite, and helps improve your energy levels. So let's give it a try here. Mmm. 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 First impressions. Flavorful, sweet, chewy, as well as a nice effervescent aroma that's separate with the wild orange, because that's kind of adding into the whole aromatherapy of things. But without that, it's a very pleasant experience. And I am going to do 2 of my 6 gummy quota for today. Guys, there's 60 gummies in here. And I'm talking with my mouth full, but really, really good, and I like that. I like that. It's very tasty, and you can see me grabbing another one here. This is my 3rd one for this first ever taste test. Yeah. And that was my first ever taste test. They are saying that they are the world's first apple cider vinegar gummy, and so they're leading the charge in that regard. So how can you get you some of these Goli Gummies and make it your goal to get all those benefits? Well, you can use my promo code LanceMcGowan or use my promo code in the link in the description area below. I do receive a commission for that, and it does support my channel. And so you can get 1 bottle or multiple, and you can also schedule your payments, and so that they are more like on a monthly payment plan, which is some pretty cool options with this company that they offer. And again, it's a great way to supplement your essential oil or vitamin regimen or routine, and I like the flavor of these. They're really, really good. That concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links below so you can get you some Goli Gummies. Or maybe some essential oils. I'm actually going to eat another one of these because I'm in the mood for it. And that's right. That makes 4 for today. I can do 3 to 6 per day, so you know. Alright, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to work out after this, so this is going to support that whole, you know. That's 5. And that's 6. Okay, so, it's kind of like a healthy candy. Oh man. Yeah. All right, we're gonna put the lid on that. Well, that's my quota for today. Let's hope I don't do any more, because they are pretty good. Pretty good. 60 pieces. Would have liked to have a little bit more, but you know.